We are going to measure the weight of our 25 milliliter flask. So that way, whenever we go to find the mass of the solute, we are getting the mass of just the solute and not the mass of the solute and our flask. Now we are going to find the mass of our 20% solution. Okay. Let's fill this up with the sugar solution and then find the mass of it. We know that if we fill it up to that line, it will be at 25 milliliters exactly. Okay, so now we are finding the mass of our 20% sugar solution. We are going to take this number and we're going to subtract the mass of the beaker or of the flask so that way we're only getting the mass of the solution.
So now we're going to add our stock solution. Meniscus is at about 5.6.
Okay.
So we're going to take this.
The meniscus is the bottom of that arc right there, which is about how much solution we are putting into a flask.
So we're going to take this, move it over here.
Transfer.
We're going to drop it down.
Remember, don't drain it.
That makes it easier. You can just do
Right there.
it. You can yeah.
And then that is at 9. Exactly. Exactly at 9.
So we can put this back there.
So how much solution do we add to it? So 5.6. So.
All right, so now we're going to add our water to dilute it all the way to the 25.
So can you go to the microphone? Oh, come on. You go. Oh, one. Just make sure that you close the door.
So now we're going to weigh our new solution, figure out what the mass is, so then we can figure out what the density is.
Here is we are finding how or what percent of our dilutions are, like how diluted our four different dilutions are, by using the M1V1 equals M2V2 formula. That way we can compare the densities and the dilution percent. The density of our unknown. We already know how many milliliters we're going to put into it. We're just going to fill the flask, so it'll be 25 milliliters of the unknown.
That's what I was saying.
All right, here we have the 4 samples that we did in the study and the 20% that was already diluted, and here we have what we added. So yeah, and we plotted the points on the graph from each dilution from our calculations. They all lined up, as you can see. The densities lined up, 0.98. And the closest one we found was dilution number 3. It was the closest to 6.9. That was the closest to the density of water.
You're good. After the lab experiment, you want to make sure you properly dispose of all of your solutions. And take care